Who doesn't love bold and beautiful flowers in their garden, particularly when you can grow them in a container, and in no time they'll emerge out of the ground and be absolutely beautiful, blooming late spring, summer, and into the fall. Canna tubers look like this, and when you plant them, what you want to do is you want to make sure that that little bud is pointing upward. You see that? All right? And then all you have to do is plant them in a rich potting soil with about 2 inches of soil on top of them. And then in about 2 weeks, fertilize them. I've got a little bit of fertilizer here. I like to use an organic fertilizer and sprinkle it around them. And throughout the course of their growing, you need to make sure the soil stays consistently moist. In fact, cannas can actually grow in standing water, so you can't overwater this particular flower. The bold flowers and foliage are an absolute knockout, and they're a must for every garden. Now what I'll do is once these are all planted, I'll just cover the top layer with some mulch, and in just a week or so, once the soil warms, they'll emerge, and in several weeks we'll have gorgeous foliage, and then the blooms will come on.